What's going on, guys? We're going to go over Bitcoin and we're going to try to figure out what's going to happen this weekend. By the way, can everybody just do something just to make sure I'm not the only one experiencing something weird here? Coinbase ended up updating their platform today and they changed the color scheme of everything. But for some reason, my default portfolio dropped down $7,000 within like the last 2 hours, and Bitcoin hasn't done anything in the last 2-3 hours. So everybody, I would go check right now your portfolios and go check this morning. Here's what I did this morning. This morning I came out with a video for you guys, May 27th, and today's May 27th. Default portfolio is sitting at $77,000. And now I'm looking over here and the default portfolio is sitting at $70,000. And the market didn't do anything and it's down $7,000. Something is going on here. So it might just be a quick glitch that they're trying to fix in the system, but I want everyone to check this because they did do a refresh of their entire system today by coming out with the new color scheme, which happened just a few hours ago. So everybody go check your Coinbase accounts from this morning if you have any snapshots or anything like that, and make sure you guys have all the money there. I want to make sure I'm not the only one experiencing this. All right, let's get back into Bitcoin here and talk about what we can expect for the weekend. So this entire week, guys, actually the last 16 days pretty much, we've been in this consolidation zone right here. What I want you guys to pay attention to right now is just where we're at. We're just at the bottom here. Now, I know it's like pretty obvious to say, but let's take a look at what the metrics are showing us in the indicators. Trend exhaustion here, down to the bottom red section. Well, money flow, pushing down here as well. Down at these areas, I'm just looking for moves back up. So over the weekend, if I had to come out here and say, what are all the technical analysis indicators showing us for Bitcoin over this weekend, I'm looking at this moving back up. Let me go to the 1 hour time frame. We got a question through email earlier that said, why do we go to different time frames? What I like to do sometimes is just look to see what are multiple people doing on different time frames. And I like to see, okay, trend exhaustion is low here. Most likely we're getting people to buy back into the market. And we got that. Trend exhaustion hit low, people bought back in. By the way, people who took the avalanche trade this morning, you guys are still doing great. We actually had a guy email us in. He said, thanks for the avalanche trade. He already made $200 today on that trade we called out. So you guys can go back and watch that and see how we scalp these markets. Trend exhaustion low here. Just showing you guys what I'm looking at on this 1 hour time frame. So we've got a few time frames here. 1 hour time frame coming low, looking for that move back up. You're looking at the 4 hour time frame as well. We can see this is low down here. Even if we go to the weekly time frame, actually, we're super low as well. So what I'm showing you guys right now is multiple time frame confirmation is what this is called, that the market is just due for a move back up. It's at a very strong structure support, and if we go down, where's the lowest we're going to hit? The lowest we're going to hit is 20,000. This is pretty obvious to a lot of people on crypto right now. They're just like, where are we going to hit? It's just structure low. Do I think we're going to get there? I personally think the market's going to see a turnaround to 36,000 before we see a move down to 20,000. Okay. And if we do see a move up, everybody getting into trades, and I'll show you guys how to get into a trade setup today. You guys are looking to target the structure high up here. So everyone getting in with the trade I'm about to show you guys, you're going to be looking at probably targeting about 6 to 7%. So make sure you guys watch that because we are literally 122 wins with 1 loss, and that was on Luna. By the way, guys, the indicators, you guys probably got an email if you're part of our membership. You guys have 4 days left. We're upping the price of all of our indicators. Make sure you guys snag that in the description. It's over here under indicators, and you guys are going to get 84% off all of them. This is only for the next 4 days. So when I come back here on Monday, you guys will have about 48 hours left. So snag them while you can right now. Okay, let's go over this. I want to go over the actual metrics for Bitcoin. Emotionally, we're sitting in the anxious section here. Still people getting anxious in the market. I totally understand that. They're like, okay, we're at the bottom of the zone here, bottom of the channel. Are we just going to flop down here and go below? Now, guys, if we break below here over the weekend, we do have this saving grace over here about 25,000, which is the quarters theory level of Bitcoin. So over the weekend, if we crash, I think 25 is the lowest we're going to go. A pump move back up over the weekend, I think we're going to come up here and target about 30,500. It's just simple analysis on this. Make money. That's what we're going to talk about here in a second. How do you make money this weekend? Long trades elevated a lot higher than short trades. The volume for Bitfinex over here is a whole lot higher for long trades than it is shorts. This tells you guys that more people are going long right now than they're going short. The volume speaks for itself there. Okay, that's a bullish sign. Market cap strength is blowing me away lately. This is insane. This is hundreds of millions of dollars flooding into Bitcoin while the price is actually going down. This is incredibly bullish. Now, let me show you guys this on Ethereum because Ethereum does not look the same. If you watched the video this morning, Ethereum's like, what is going on over here? The market cap is absolutely crashing for Ethereum, and we got Bitcoin heading straight up. So are people like, is there going to be like a Bitcoin like blast off here that's going to leave all the other coins behind? I don't know, but it's kind of, we may be seeing something to that matter of fact. I don't know. This is really interesting, but again, it's a bullish sign. Trades in favor, sitting in the neutral section here, which totally makes sense because we're not, pushing down super low. We're not really high. It's just neutral. Really the best time to take a trade setup, which I will show you guys in this video. We're about to get there. Well, institutional smart money, these guys are coming out and buying this thing. Look at this. We have some nice metric values over here looking to go long in the market to push this thing back up. So at the bottom of this support, guys, right here, this is an incredible time to go long. I will show you guys 2 ways to go long. I'll show you the scalping method, which most likely you guys are going to probably win that in the next 24 hours. And then I'll show you another trade setup you guys can take a lot more profit on. Support resistance, we're looking at this about 28,500. Let's just keep this in mind. It's 23,000. Let's call it 24,000 for a drop down. And then as we move back up here, greatest structure support, I would say, is about 36,000, which is 35.9 right here. Okay. Come down here, dollar cost average entries. If you guys have like 1,000 buckaroogos and you want to split it up into 10 portions, and you want to put $100 at each of these lines, guys, this metric is literally just working 24/7, looking for the best possible places to put crypto before the market moves back up and to get you guys in on the dip before things start moving back up. Is it always going to move back up? No, I'm just going to be honest with you guys. It doesn't. We get capitulation stages in the market. But do you personally know exactly when the market's going to head back up? No, we don't. So that's why you need a dollar cost average in, and this is a really good metric. We've actually had other YouTube channels talk about this metric a lot because they're just like, it's so easy to use, and I appreciate you guys that are doing that. The death cross, we are still 50 below the 200, so we're in death cross. Watch this white line to slam into this guy right here when it does go up. Because then that's going to be looking for a move back down. Let's make some money. We came to the part of the video where you guys actually make some money. Take a look at this, guys. This updated this morning at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, so 27,956. 27,956. We haven't hit that actually, you guys. You may, no, I don't know if you guys hit that yet. I don't think so. So here's the 2 things, guys. Because trend exhaustion is low here and well money flow is low, and then you come back over here to the metrics and you guys can see up here that we're in the anxious section. And then you come down here, we see that trades in favor. It's close to a good long trade, but we definitely have Wells institutions buying this. This is technically a setup for a scalping trade. So those of you guys who want to get in the market right now, this is a pretty good trade to get 4% out of the market. So what you're going to do, let me get out my calculator here. You guys are going to look to get into this trade if you want to scalp this. And right at, let's get the price here, 28728. 28. You guys are like, what the heck? 22789. Oh, so now I'm looking at this down here. Okay, white numbers, Travis. 28729.65. Oh my gosh! Like this morning, I called out Avalanche for the scalping trade, and I showed you guys all the Cardano metrics. Oh. Sorry, guys. Just brain fart to the max. So times this by 1.04. You guys are looking for a take profit here at 29,878. Let's give you guys a horizontal line. Let's take a look at this. So if you guys come into the market scalping this for 4%, this is what I'm calling out for you guys right now for a little scalp trade. And let me get this exactly in here. It's all you guys are looking for. That's it. We're just looking for 4% in the market. So from here to there is 4%. I think we can get that. And what I really like about this entry is it puts us below the structure resistance of the channel. So if you guys are looking for another trade, like a guy who made $200 on Avalanche already, great job. This is another setup you can take. Now, let me show you this. For those of you guys who want to get in, please use good risk management. Let's say you guys have $1,000 right now and you want to put it into the market. Because Bitcoin is below the 50%. You take the high, you take the low of Bitcoin, you just divide it by 2. We're below 50%. You guys use 3 buy limits instead of 4. So what you can do right now is if you have $1,000, you'll put $333 right now at a scalping entry, $333 at this price, and $333 at this price right here. Okay? Everything is just kept transparent here. These are the ones you want to use. So if you guys get in right now, seriously, if you guys are looking to make some money, this is a very good trade setup, very good. And this is coming from us. Besides Luna, we've been undefeated in all of our trades. And we also have the healthiest account on all of crypto that we can find. Out of 150,000, we're 70,000 or potentially 77. I got to check into that. You guys should check into that too. Okay, so when you get in here, I'm going to land the ship here so I know it's going a little bit longer. Once you have all the buy limits set up, if it goes down, you guys' break-even entry is going to go down with you. So if it hits your first buy limit, your break-even entry is here. Your second buy limit is hit, and we do blast below 20,000, which I think it's pretty rare if we do. guess what? Your break-even entry is going to be around 20,000 or just a little bit lower. And as it goes back up, you guys will get into profit faster than anybody else. And then the other scenario is it just goes up here. You guys make 4% and you just do this over and over and over again every day. That's what you guys can be doing with our membership over here. So biggest thing you guys need to know about, the indicators are going to be going up in price. You have 4 days left. We use these every single day. All the scalping trades, besides this morning, because we're still managing that, the last 4 scalping trades we call for 4% have all hit 4% profit on YouTube. It's been pretty cool. So these are the 3 that you guys really need. The bundle pack is going to give you guys all 9 of our indicators. It's a one-time purchase, lifetime access, and you guys just get them forever. And you're getting the best deal possible. We will not have our indicators lower than this price. This is the cheapest you guys can get them because the market's low. We decided to give you guys 84% off. So snag this, guys. You'll get the indicators, the source codes as well, and then you guys will also be getting a tutorial video of how to set that up. Last but not least, the membership over here where you guys can come trade with us. It's only $95 a month. We have a lot of people in this membership because they see the value of it. All the whale metrics for every coin you guys are going to get. The entries and exits for Telegram, all the ones that we call, you guys are going to get that. The master classes, you'll get all of them that I've taught. Literally, huge hedge funds have gone through it. $billion hedge funds, guys, part of them have gone through it and they're going through it right now. I have a friend that's going through it and I was teaching him about it on a coaching call I did a couple weeks ago. The community chat, where everyone gets to just chat together and hang out, that's right here. And then every single month I go live with you guys on a Zoom call, which we have all of them recorded in the Inner Circle Hangout, which you guys can watch right over here, just talking about the market. So all of this, the whole website opens up to you guys once you have a membership. Literally access everything. If you're coming here brand new, you're like, hey, why is everything blocked? It's because the membership will literally unlock everything you guys need here. And then once you guys have this in here, definitely be picking up the indicators because we're up in the price in exactly 4 days, May 31st at 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. And you guys should have gotten an email. I'll send out a 48-hour and a 24-hour email just so you guys don't miss it. And then we'll just keep going, guys. An amazing setup for Bitcoin. Those are the 2 places, guys. I think over the weekend, if we push up, it's 30,500. And if we do move down, I don't see us going any lower than 25,000. Okay? Full analysis. Make sure you guys snag the indicators as well as the membership. Enjoy the profits, guys. Enjoy the scalping if you guys want to enter into this. And I will see you guys on the next video. Bye, guys. Have a good weekend.